Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the Bplayer app to your Firestick in 2025. The whole process is pretty easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And firstly, you will have to get the app code downloader to the Firestick. You can get downloader totally for free from the official Amazon App Store. So go to search, open the search bar, and start typing downloader in here. And usually, there's even no need to enter the whole name of the app because, as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. You click on it, and here is the app which you need to get to your device. But after you got downloader, it is not over yet because we still have to set it up now. So, in order to set up the downloader, we'll need to go to settings. So let's do it right now. Click that button with a gear icon, and then you scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it, and now in here, what you have to do is turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. So open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and in here all you have to do is just locate downloader and turn the option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. So now we go back to a list of apps on the Fire Stick, open it, and now here's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using the downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Ireland right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is gonna be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you wanna stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in the description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So we go back to the list of apps on your device, open downloader, and now here in the app, we will have to enter the code in order to download the Bplayer app to your Fire Stick. The code will be 8600400. So once again, 8600400. That is the code that you have to enter in order to download the Bplayer to your Firestick. Then just click on Go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Firesticks. Then this web page will open, and you just have to scroll it down a bit and click on that blue download button in order to start downloading the app to your device. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then you have to click install and make sure that the app gets properly installed to your Fire TV. And then don't click on open yet, instead press done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, which you don't need anymore on a Firestick device. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on your Firestick. And it's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And then if you go back to the list of apps on your device, open it, and here at the bottom you will find the Bplayer now. So first of all, now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the home button on your remote. Just click on it and press on move to front. This way the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use the link below this video to get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free. So enjoy it all and see you next time. Bye bye.